This video will demonstrate how to install your retail window decals. You'll need 3 simple supplies: a bottle of Windex, a very clean towel, and a hard squeegee. Take your decal, lay it down on the floor face down so it will be ready for its next step. Thoroughly wash your window where the decal will be installed. Now, carefully remove the backing from the window decal, making sure that it doesn't fold over onto itself. You may want to use 2 people for this part. Now, generously wet the back of the decal with Windex and also the window. You'll want it just soaking wet on both parts. Grab your decal by the top 2 corners, make sure that it doesn't fold over onto itself on this part, and place it exactly where you'd like it to be. As long as it's wet, you can continue to pull it off and adjust it to get it just right. Take this time to get all the wrinkles out. Your final step will be to squeegee the vinyl from the center out all the way around the border, and as you squeeze the water out, wipe it with a towel. Take your time on this part, being careful not to tear the vinyl from pushing too hard on the squeegee. You'll get it to look perfect pretty easily, and this is what you're looking for.